Welcome back to Math with Marcus. This comes from Course 1, Chapter 2, Problem 69. It's about ratios and proportional reasoning. And it's about Janelle buying some smoothies with her friend. So you know that Janelle and 3 of her friends bought 4 smoothies of equal cost for a total of $3. So in total, the 4 smoothies cost $3, which is an incredible deal. Where the heck is she buying her smoothies? Because mine do not cost that. So not even one of my smoothies cost $3. So somehow she's got the hookup on smoothies. 4 of them cost $3. I'm in. All right. So if she purchases the same smoothies on another day for herself and 9 of her friends, how much will she spend? So we know that she gets 4 smoothies for $3. And she wants to know, well, what would 10 smoothies be? So here are 4 smoothies for $3, and I really wanted to know what one costs. So I know that 4 smoothies. Let's write that somewhere here. Let's go. All right. So I've got here that 4 smoothies cost $3, and I wanted to know what one just cost. If I could find what one smoothie was, I could get up to 10 smoothies pretty easily. And darn it, I knew that $3 doesn't divide evenly between 4. So I took the dollar and said, well, you know what? I know that a dollar is equal to 4 quarters. So instead of thinking about this costing $3, I thought of it costing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 quarters. And now I can divide that equally by 4. So if I divided it by 4, that would mean that each smoothie costs 75 cents. Every smoothie costs 75 cents. So I couldn't divide this equally. I couldn't divide the dollars equally by 4. But I could divide the quarters into 4 groups. Now that we had 12 quarters, does divide evenly between 4. So I know that 75 cents is the cost of a single smoothie. Now I just need to get up to 10 somehow. Well, I know that 4 of them cost $3. So to get this, we could go 4 plus another 4 plus 1 plus 1. We could do that. That gets us to 10, doesn't it? And so 4 smoothies is $3. So that's $3 plus another $3 plus 75 cents plus 75 cents. Now, some people are just screaming at me right now saying, well, why don't you just multiply that by 10, right? 75 cents times 10 is $7.50. So if you knew how to multiply with decimals, great. You're absolutely right. So 3 plus 3 is $6. And if we add the 75 cents plus another 75 cents, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters make $1. So we're right here, right? We want 2 smoothies, so that's $1 right there, and $1.50. So this is $1.50. So how much is it for all 10? Well, all 10 smoothies will cost $7.75 for 10 smoothies. That is, I'm just blown away. That is way too good of a deal. All right, thanks for joining. Stop on by another time.